In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix switch user option missing from login screen on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing we can do is we just need to simply go to the Windows search bar, and here we need to simply type REGEDIT or regedit, which stands for registry editor. Click on that under the best match. Now, once you open the registry editor, just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So click on HK local machine and click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to look for the software folder. Click on that. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then we have to look for Microsoft. So simply scroll down. Click on Microsoft. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Now here we have to look for Windows. So scroll down. Click on Windows, click on the arrow to expand the list. Then here we have to look for current version. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then here we have to look for policies. So simply scroll down, click on policies, and then you have to click on the arrow to expand the list and click on system. On the right pane, we are going to make a DWORD 32-bit value. So right click and then select new, select DWORD 32-bit value. Now you have to name this hide fast user switching. Okay, hide fast user switching, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. There are no spaces in between. Hide fast user switching. Now I have already created this, or this already exists in my registry editor, so you can find that from here. Hide fast user switching. So once you created the word 32-bit value, name this as hide fast user switching. Double click and change the value data to 0 hexadecimal base. Click on OK. Now close the registry editor window, then right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out, and click on the restart button to apply all the changes that we have made, and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.